Today we talk about how can you default subtitle language on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, come here to subtitles. You come here to default subtitle language here, clicking this sign. So then here can you select your default subtitle language in this sign here. When you add it, so then you click on save, then it's going to save video here automatically. So that's all you have to do to add it on your app. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watch.